What's up YouTube? Honda Civic. Ang gagawin natin dito is change oil. Ito yung meron siyang ano dito. Change oil ba ito? Ilan na ito? 8320. So anyway, i-change oil natin. So medyo maulan, kaya naglagay tayo ng luna dyan. But beforehand, i-diagnose muna natin kasi ang sabi niya mayroong lumalabas na chicken light. So start up natin. Start natin yung engine bago natin i-ano yung diagnostics. Na check engine light, but he mentioned like on and off check engine light sign. So siya nga pala, before tayo magbaba ng oil, kailangan muna natin i-idle yung sasakyan or yung makina ng mga seconds, no? 5 seconds, 5-10 seconds or up to 5 minutes para yung oil is mag-dilute yung kanyang sludge. If ever na mayroong sludge, ma-mix dun sa oil na i-drain natin para tuloy-tuloy na dun yung oil na ma-mix ang oil, and then tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang dirty oil. If ever sludge that we have, it will drain out. So again, so titingnan natin dito OBD niya dito. Normally it's in here. This one here. Okay. So here OBD is in here. Okay. Scan what's the reason why there is a check engine light sometimes on and off. Okay, this is the advantage of high technology. Hindi mo na kailangan hula-hula. So naka-off siya ngayon. Obviously pag naka-off yung check engine light, itong mga model na Paxos hindi niya kayang i-detect, no? At itatry natin kung kaya ba niyang basahin yung store na error within the system. See, hindi niya ma-detect pagka walang check engine light. So try natin yung isang diagnostics natin kung makaya. So, turn off natin dahil medyo siguro yung oil, dirty oil, diba? Ay! At tingnan natin yung engine. Kalog yan. Solid weight build model ito. Okay. So titingnan natin sa diagnostic ito. So ito yung isang diagnostic natin na pangmalakasan. Kaya niyang basahin kahit walang check engine light yan. Kaya niyang basahin. So subukan natin. So Europe. This is Honda, so this is Japan. May mga choice dito kung need yung sasakyan. Okay. So binabasa na niya yan. So meron siyang na-detect agad. Pero wala siyang check engine light yan. Pero na-detect yung fault codes. Pero see anong masasabi niya dito. Ating diagnostics. Take time. Papansin natin medyo maalog-alog yung mga andar ng sasakyan. Battery. Yan lang, battery error. So, battery kasi nito merong battery intelligent. So might be like the battery intelligence system is loose, whatever. For now, ay delete natin to. Babalik pa rin siya. So there's something wrong. So i-check natin to mamaya after natin change oil. So yan ang battery sensor. Communication error like 16 feet. Battery sensor. Communication error. So i-follow up natin ito mamaya after sa oil change. So ito yung kanyang engine guys. Dream Honda Civic with belt ang model ito. So ang lumalabas sa diagnostics is yung battery, no? Yung battery is stop start. As you can see, nawala na yung green dito. So ibig sabihin either yung battery niya is dying battery, whatever. Check natin yung voltage ng battery kung meron pa bang ano ito, laman ito. Kailangan kasi yung battery nito kailangan talagang 12.5 volts pataas, dahil sa mga modern na sasakyan ang daming mga electronic features na battery mismo ang nag-handle after the engine is running, no? So ito kasi yung pinaka talaga storage power. We will check this battery here if it is still healthy. So meron tayong dito, tester. Test natin yung battery nito. Positive, negative. Simple. So 12.3, and then yeah, battery should have 12.5. So obviously battery is dying, and we will start the engine. We will see if the voltage here is increasing. If the voltage is increasing like 13 something up, then the alternator is good, and if not, if the voltage stays the same like 12 something, then alternator is bad. We're gonna start the engine here. We'd like to know the charging of the alternator. See, yung battery, I mean the alternator, but the alternator looks like brand new, obviously. So the alternator is bad, brand new alternator, and still having trouble. It's only 12.5. Obviously when the engine running, the voltage here increase like 13 something, 13 14 or 13 max or more, 13.5. But for now, the only system here that's working is the battery. So it's eating the battery actually. The alternator is not supplying the electricity. So we're gonna stop here because the battery is draining actually. Battery, as you can see, battery is stop start, and battery looks like new and it's draining fast because the alternator here is not charging, as you can see. Okay, so we'll just kill the owner. The alternator is bad, it's not charging. The engine run through the power of the battery only, so it's parasite. Nag-rely lang ang engine sa battery, so somehow it's gonna die in the future. Once the battery is flat, then it's gonna die. So that's what charging.